A cat and a duck planted an apple tree together. Every day, they watered it and took care of it with lots of love. In just a few weeks, the tree grew big and was filled with bright red apples. The cat and the duck picked the ripe apples and filled a big basket. They were excited to take them to the market to sell. But just then, a naughty monkey appeared and started jumping all over the tree, ruining all the apples. The cat and the duck saw this and started crying loudly. They quickly called the police. The police came and took the monkey away, but the cat was still sad. Because you haven't subscribed to our channel yet.